To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth. To the next generation of dreamers, if we can do this, just imagine what you can do. Hey!
Come on out, mister.
Release, release, release. Clean release. Ignition. Good rocket motor burn. There's Mach. Things are looking great. We are 25 seconds into the burn now, approaching Mach 2. 50 seconds, 79,000 feet, climbing. Nose gear touchdown.
Oh my God, it's difficult. It's just so beautiful. It's just so spectacular. Well, look, I'm going to spend the next 20 or 30 years of my life just doing everything I can with all our resources to better this world. And